Hello, my beautiful people. My name is Veronica and I'm a professional dancer. And today I want to teach you the laziest twerk you can learn ever, because you can practice this one when you're laying down watching YouTube like just now, and just practice that whenever you want. And also it's very fast to learn, so let's go. We should start from the best position, laying down like this, okay? Then if you have very sensitive knees, like for example you can have knee pads or just something soft, right? And then you put your knee on this subject, okay? And what we have to check, right, is that our knee is higher than our butt line, okay? So it's not laying here, yeah? The higher you can push it, the best result you'll get, because you'll have your butt looking bigger a little bit, yeah? So stretch a little bit if it helps, yeah? But don't put it here, okay? So the higher you can put that, the better, okay? So step number 1, put your both elbows down and your belly bottom should touch a little bit the floor, right? You don't lay down like this, because first of all it's not beautiful, second of all we won't shake it like that, okay? So this one is just laying down, just relax, stretch, yeah? It don't go anywhere, yeah? It's just laying down like this, okay? So this is our position. And then what should we do? We just have to fall down, okay? We just go up a little bit with our butt, like whole hip situation. We go up like this, 1, just everything, like your bones, they're not touching the floor right now, okay? And then you just falling down, boom, everything, yeah? You don't go that high, you just push it from the floor a little bit and then down, bounce it down. You go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just have to go even smaller, and you don't fall from very high, okay? You just go like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like your bones, they still go up, like they go from the floor, go higher, and they bounce it down, but not that high, okay? So you go like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to make it more beautiful and more like moving a lot, you start to move this leg, like you go push it up like this, 1, 2, yeah? Like you go 1, 2. It's the same move like if you go like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah? Or you move like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just one hip, you have to roll it up and then just go back, yeah? And then the accent, like the rhythm, you go like down, down, down on the inside side, okay? So we push it high, we put it high, and then we go 1, 2, 1, 2, like we're still not touching the floor, yeah? But then we roll our leg more, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we can lay down to fully relax, yeah? Just like that. We still keep it here, and we go with our hip even more, and we go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and yeah. So this is the laziest twerk you can ever learn, because you just have to lay down and just shake it a little bit, but it's gonna look so good and so big. And if you want to learn more twerking, you are very welcome to my course for very beginners or for more advanced. I hope that was helpful. I love you. Bye bye.